Used germanexperts 3 years ago and ever since for my old car, so I know of the service, I know of the quality, so I came back again. Yes, I would recommend your service 100% to others, and I've also had friends, one of my friends currently has a car here that's getting some mechanical work because I recommended coming here after I brought mine. So in the future as well, anyone with a German car I will advise to come here. Previously I only knew the mechanical side and that was 100% absolutely fantastic. And now obviously with this car just being in the body shop, I also would describe the body shop absolutely second to none. The best in Abu Dhabi. I would say reliable, 100%. Quality, fantastic quality, and 100% knowledgeable.